the Tool Addict. Woo! Oh man, it feels good to be in short sleeves. I mean, it is a brisk, it is a warm and exciting day. And remember to hit that thumbs up because you're going to like this video. Remember, always subscribe too if you're not, because you miss out if you don't hit that. You can ring that bell. Just a friendly reminder. If you don't want to, that's fine. But I'm excited. Spring is upon us. The days are getting longer. Happiness and joy is embarking on all of our lives. The spring and summer is nearing. So anyways, to kick off those happy days, we're going to show you some stuff today that I got from Michael Pro that's very DIY friendly, hence the title. This is what I would say. I mean, everybody can use these tools, but I would say these are for the common folk, common man. These are tools that I would recommend, to my neighbor, my friends, stuff like that, and say, look, this is budget minded. I don't have the prices on all these, but there will be a link to the website. I feel free to check it out because I think you'll enjoy looking at stuff. But let's get into looking at what we got here. Talk about it. Some stuff is rather unique, and some stuff is rather it's been around a while. So let's check it out. All right. So the first thing we're gonna look at is was a magnetic wrench rack, which these are definitely not terrible to have. They're definitely handy. You can put a set of wrenches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 wrenches, if you guys know who the count is. Remember, some of us grew up. But yeah, you can put your wrenches on there. Magnetic back. I believe these were originally made by Mechanics Time Savers. Non-marring. They seem to hold up pretty good. Definitely sturdy. But you can put your wrench on there, hanging off the back of your tool cart, box, wall, whatever. And, no drilling, no mess. You can move it around wherever. Kind of a neat deal. They also sent some of these magnetic. These are originally also, I believe, were magnetic time saver. Mechanics Time Savers also came out with these, and these are fairly popular. Now I haven't tried these. I know some people make them differently. Let's just throw a couple small sockets in there. Let's see what we got here. We'll throw some of these Matcos in here. Just based on professionals. They only go up to 14. Once again, I will say that's always a disappointment. They only go down to 4, which this is what a professional set's preferred here. We don't use 4 and 4.5 that much. So usually we like to see 5 and 5.5 over 4 and 4.5. But for some reason people can't get that right. So let's look at the 5mm. Fits in there, the Matco Professional. So this is their high-end line. But yeah. So that fits there. Let's check out a 14. Make sure it fits. So I think any other, if the Matcos fit, I think you'll see that almost every other socket will fit, and sure does. So the 5, the 14, they do fit. Let's check them just in the shallow side. Perfect. And the 5mm, yeah. So once again, not ideal, but some of you guys that have buy your sets. Most of your basic mechanics that you buy places do come with a 4 and a 4.5. You might appreciate that, but I will tell you, as professional mechanics, we do prefer the 5 to 15. That's just how it is. So yeah, but nonetheless, it is a nice set. Nothing crazy about it. They've been around for a while. It does look very nice. Nothing really crazy to say about it, but it is nice, and the blue is nice, and they sent me the 1/2 inch. They sent me the 1/2 inch ones. Let me get all of them out of here. Get out of there, little feller! Come on. Just drop stuff everywhere. So this looks like the 1/2 inch metric. I'm just throwing crap everywhere. We're having a day, guys. We're having a day. We got the 1/2 inch. I'm assuming that's 1/2 inch. Let's check it out. 10mm. Max sockets fit in there. So I'm assuming that's 1/2 inch. Where'd I get that from? Right there. And then this would be 3/8, 20mm, which is pretty standard. So yeah, 3/8, 1/2 inch. Yeah, we like I said, nice socket holders. Nothing too crazy about them. But let's move along, because I'm sure some of you are like, CP, we've already seen those. Get to the good stuff. Get to the juicy stuff, CP. Also, got a headlamp. I'm not sure the lumens on this. It does take 3 AAAs, which I unfortunately do not have. So I couldn't tell you, but I'll tell you whether or not it works. But it just it's got articulation there. Michael Pro headlamp. I'm not sure the price on this, but yeah, you can definitely check these out. And there will be the part number on the MP008001. Once again, all these tools are made in Taiwan. So that is a huge plus right there, in my opinion, for a budget-minded guy who's looking to be something friendly, budget-friendly or whatnot like that. Let's get into the 3 unique tools from them that I really enjoy, or that I will think that will be kind of, well, 2 of these will be, I think, anything. Well, you can use, professionals could use those too, but I think. All right, so we're going to move on to the next thing here, which is going to be the Michael Pro MP009015, which I can endorse these 100% because I do have one of these in the Craftsman version. And these things are, whether you're not, believe it or not, handy. And you can also enjoy a 15% QR code. If you want to snatch that off the screen, you're more than welcome to. But they have a 1/4 and a 3/8, which some of you guys might know that back in the day, on a video, I actually ordered a Craftsman. And I think I got the 1/4 inch one. It's somewhere around here. But this is the 3/8, and these things are pretty sweet for a T-handle, especially you motorcycle guys. Highly recommend these. These are definitely the way to go for a T-handle if you want. Instead of buying the set from Motion Pro, which I do have a set from Motion Pro. Let me see if I can grab them here. Right out front here. Probably not CP. No, they're not. They're not up. I don't have them right up front here, but yeah, Motion Pro makes a set of T-handles. A couple other people do. But these things are really nice because the spinners lock down. These are definitely legit. These are definitely awesome. They also have the 3/8 up here. And they are super fast spinning. Very smooth. They got a bearing inside of here. 3 ball bearings inside of the handle here. I've actually taken these apart before. And you can see they have 3 ball bearings in there that they roll on. So they're pretty cool. I definitely like these, and I have a big spot in the heart for them because they work great for motorcycles, and you can take them anywhere. You used to actually throw them in the truck, toolbox, whatnot. Pretty awesome tools. Last thing, but not least, and something that I think is super handy for all, and I like this design from them. Not sure if somebody else makes these, but it's these magnetic bowls, and these are pretty cool because they have a little backboard on them. Let's look at these ones here. Pretty awesome. They just flip around. They tuck away like that. They also flip around. They tuck in. But now you have some really nice trays, and you can shoot some jump shots and throw your tools, and they're not going to fall out of there. You know, throw your nuts and bolts in there. And the cool thing is if you happen to damage a bowl, these things actually will unclip and go onto another bowl. Perhaps you have some other type of bowl that's the same size as these. I found that you can literally pull the tops off of these, and yeah, so pretty cool. Definitely a huge fan of that. So, you know, these 2 things I can definitely endorse as being really great products. So it's pretty hard not to. The magnetic. The ratchet, we're going to have to take a look at that and see how it works, and I'll kind of update on that and see, you know, what I think about it in the long run. But, you know, the other stuff from Michael Pro is definitely solid stuff. Definitely really good. You're not going to go wrong. And Michael Pro is affordable. And that's the biggest thing about this. Not telling anybody that they have to buy this professionally. But, guys, everybody always wants to save money these days. So I'm just showing you options and giving you opportunity to find something else from another company and just some neat things and different things. I really do like these. These are pretty freaking sweet. These trays are really nice. They're not in a magnetic trays. You cannot go wrong with buying those. But I do like the backboard on them, so to speak, the backboard. You can make them layup shots, but you can also fold it down. It is a little bit lower profile if you have to on that way. And then you can. It has these little stoppers right here. Let me see if this actually. Oh yeah, it locks in there. So it locks in there if you want the bolt to lay down that far. You can recess it in there and it locks in between those trays, and then you don't have to deal with it. And it also sets down there recessed-wise. Rubber coated so it don't scratch. Definitely awesome. But anyways, guys, that's what we got from Michael Pro today. Hope you enjoy. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.